శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 731st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ Aranya Parvam, 12th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj, saying like this, O Raja, Arjuna, in order to pacify Krishna, he is praising Krishna like this. O Krishna, you are the one who did tapasya in Badarikashramam, and you are the one who lived in Saraswati, banks of the Saraswati, and did Satrayagam. You are the one who lived in Prabhasatirtham and 1000 divine years. You are the one who did tapasya while standing on one leg. Vyasa Maharshi told me about all this. Loka pravrutti hetustvam iti Vyaso mamabravit. Vyasa Maharshi told me that you have done all this only in order to inspire all the people to do tapasyas. O Krishna, kshetrajnaha sarvabhutanam adirantascha kesava nidhanam tapasam Krishna yajnastvancha sanatanaha. O Kesava, you are kshetrajna. You are the one beginning and ending of all living beings. You are the one Devata for all those who are doing tapasya. You are an embodiment of yajnam. And you are the one who killed Naraka and who gave ornaments to Aditi. You are the one who conquered all the worlds. You are Lokeswara. You are the one who killed Daitya Danavas who came and hindered all your works. O Kesava, Sattvam Narayano Bhutva Harirasihi Parantapa Brahma Somascha Suryascha Dharmo Dhata Yamonalaha Vayurvaishravano Rudraha Kalakham Pridhivi Disaha Ajascharachara Guruhu Srashtatvam Purushottama. O Krishna, you are Purushottama. You are Narayana, you are Vishnu, Brahma, Surya, Chandra, Dharma, Dhata, Yama, Agni, Vayu, Kubera, Rudra, space, Prudhivi, everything is you. You are everything. Like that, Arjuna praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.